Hi, I'm Charlotte from Daikin, and today I'm going to show you how to use the modes on your Daikin heat pump. First, turn the heat pump on with the on button. Press the mode button to cycle through the modes. Automatic mode automatically heats or cools the space in order to achieve the set temperature. Dry mode dries out the space to make it less damp and more comfortable. Cooling only mode cools the space until the set temperature is achieved. And heating only mode heats the space until the set temperature is achieved. Fan only mode only turns on the fan and does not heat or cool. The final mode is powerful mode, which offers a boost of max capacity power for 20 minutes to rapidly heat or cool your space. If you need to access more information about using your Daikin heat pump, you can head over to our website www.daikin.co.nz.